Hello everyone, it's Dr. Yasir Aqil. I'm back and today I want to talk about the power of yet. The word yet is a very powerful word. We just don't use it enough. For example, I can't do this versus I can't do this yet. You know what you're telling your brain? You're telling your brain that this is going to be possible for me. Not right now, but it is possible. So subliminally, you're telling your brain, your mind, that nothing is impossible. It's just not happening yet. So start off and try and incorporate the word yet into a lot of things or daily things that you can't do or you think you cannot do. And this is just a limitation, a belief that is not serving you, that I cannot do this. For example, I used to think, or rather, I used to believe that I'm not good with technology. And sometimes I still struggle with certain things, and I have people who help me out. My son helps me out, my wife helps me out, people from the office help me out, and so on and so forth. But I always tell them, I don't know how to do this yet. So a couple of days ago, I didn't know how to run a YouTube channel. I'm still learning, but I haven't mastered that art yet. So go ahead and use yet in the things that you believe that you will be able to do eventually. Keep practicing this, and I'll see you again tomorrow. You take very good care.